I'm here right in the middle of Zoubeir's pool. Welcome to Zoubeir's pool. What is going on, guys? Welcome to a new adventure of Zoubeir's World. Welcome to this episode, and we are walking to Zoubeir's pool. The real name of this place is David's Hole, but it sounds a little bit nasty, so that's why I call it Zoubeir's pool. So I'm gonna show you right now where this Zoubeir's pool is located. We're here in the north of St. Martin on the French side. That's the island where I got stung by a cactus. That's Cactus Island over there. There is La Belle Creole, and if you look on the left, there is Zoubeir's pool. It's not this nasty pool over here, but it's right over there, and we will go there in just a few seconds. Let's go. I got a lot of questions of people that ask me, how do you find those places? How do you know where they are? And you know, stuff like that. But it's very easy, guys. The only thing you have to do is use the internet. Because if you are planning to travel just like me, then you will do a lot of research before going to a country. And if you have a lot of time in one country, you can, when you're back home or in your hotel room, you can just open up the internet and find beautiful stuff like this. Zoubeir's pool in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The only way to get down there is by swimming around it and enter from one of these two holes over here. I think that hole over there is dangerous because I see rocks, but this hole over here, it might be possible to enter. But right now, this place isn't Zoubeir's pool yet. It's David's Hole. This is called the David's Hole. Anyways, to make this place Zoubeir's pool, I have to swim around it and enter it via the first hole over there. But the only problem is I have my car key with me and my slippers. My slippers, I don't care about them, but if I lose my car key, then I'm f***ed. So I have to find a place where I can hide my car key, where other people won't find it. And this is the most trickiest part of the whole thing. So I'm gonna put my slipper right here and my car key inside, right like this, and we have to put some leaves on it. We have to hide it a little bit like this. And let's hope nobody sees this. Let's see if my car key is still there. I don't trust myself. Let's put it a little bit more there. Right. Okay. I think that's safe enough. And the only thing is maybe some lizard can take it, and then I'm too. Okay. This part can be very dangerous to get in because there are a lot of rocks. I can hurt myself on the rocks. but let's hope everything goes well. So what's the best place to get in? From here? The waves are hitting hard, man. But I really want to make it the Zoubeir's pool. Let's try, let's try. Oh my God. Come on. Can I stand here? If I had a snorkel with me, I could swim and look under the water, but now I cannot do it. Oh yeah, I can see the first hole. Oh yeah, Zoubeir's pool, here I come. Come on, just a few meters. I'm not even moving because of the current. I'm almost there, guys. Just right behind me. Now it's still called the David's Hole, but when I enter it, it's the Zoubeir's pool. Woo! Wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Be careful, I feel rocks underneath me. Oh. I don't know how many rocks there are. I just hit one rock. It is official, guys. I made it. Oh yeah. I'm standing right in the middle of this pool, and there is no chance to enter this pool other than from this hole over here. Look at this 360 view. This is beautiful. It's Sunday right now, so everybody on this island went to all the beaches around here, but nobody came to this place. Holy crab! Holy crab! Look! Why are you afraid of me, man? I just want to say hello, welcome to my pool. Whoa. Bye bye, Zoubeir's pool. There are some crazy rocks below me. Ooh. I see a boat, and I hope those people don't think that I'm in danger, because I'm not, even if I drank a little bit of water. The only thing that I need right now is a cold can of Coke. Oh, mission accomplished. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment down below and help my channel grow. See you on the next episode.